my dear students, welcome to Study of Science, myself Ramya. So in this session, now let us understand the endoplasmic reticulum, which is the first cell organelle. We are going to understand about the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so here you can see the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. When we look at the structure of endoplasmic reticulum, it is having the large network of membrane bound tubes and sheets. See, I will repeat, endoplasmic reticulum is a cell organelle. It is covered by the membrane. Hence, it is called as the membrane bound organelles. And this membrane bound organelle of endoplasmic reticulum, it is having the large network. It is having the large network of sheets and tubes. Clear? So, now let us see how this endoplasmic reticulum occur in different forms. Okay, this endoplasmic reticulum, it occurs in three different forms. The first form is looking like the long tubes. See, you can see here there are tube-like structures. These tube-like structures are called as long tubules of the endoplasmic reticulum. And the next occurrence or the next form is vesicles. See, vesicles actually look like bag-like structures. They're having the bag-like structures. So this is the another form of endoplasmic reticulum. And the third form is cisternae. The third form is cisternae. You can see some fold-like structures here in the endoplasmic reticulum. And these fold-like structures in the endoplasmic reticulum are called as cisternae. Okay, let me repeat once again. The endoplasmic reticulum occurs in three different forms. The three different forms of endoplasmic reticulum are the long tubules, which looks like tube, and the second one is vesicles, which looks like bag, and cisternae, that is looking like fold-like structure. The cisternae means they are the structures which have the folds on the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so these are the various forms of the endoplasmic reticulum that we can see in the cell. Right. So now when I talk about attachment, now let us understand about the attachment. See, one side of the endoplasmic reticulum, it is attached with nuclear membrane. You can look here. See, one of the side of the endoplasmic reticulum, it is attached to the nuclear membrane, where another side of the endoplasmic reticulum, it is attached to plasma membrane. Please listen very carefully. The endoplasmic reticulum is having two attachments. One attachment is towards the nuclear membrane, that is towards nuclear envelope, and another attachment is towards the plasma membrane. Okay, so through one attachment it can shift the things between the endoplasmic reticulum and the nucleus. Through another side, that is towards the plasma membrane, it can shift the things between the plasma membrane and the endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Fine. Okay, now let us understand the types of endoplasmic reticulum. See, when I talk about endoplasmic reticulum, there are two types. Majorly, the endoplasmic reticulum is classified into two types. The first type is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the second type is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now we will understand why we call it as rough endoplasmic reticulum, or why do we call it as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. See, actually, when we call it as rough endoplasmic reticulum, that endoplasmic reticulum will be attached by the ribosomes. If the endoplasmic reticulum, if they are attached by the ribosomes, then we call it as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then what is smooth endoplasmic reticulum or SER? See, if the endoplasmic reticulum are free from ribosomes, that means if the endoplasmic reticulum are not attached by any kind of ribosomes, then such endoplasmic reticulums are called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? Endoplasmic reticulum is majorly classified into two types. One is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and one more is rough. Why do we call it as rough? Because it is attached by the ribosomes. Why do we call it as smooth? Because they are free from ribosomes. So we have understood smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. How could we identify this? See, when we look the endoplasmic reticulum under the microscope, we can easily identify rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum by the presence of ribosomes on it. Clear? Why do we call it as SER, that is smooth? Why do we call it as rough, that is RER? Okay, so now let me give little more clear picture about the rough endoplasmic reticulum. As we have understood that, why do we call it as RER? Because they have the ribosomes on them. So then, what do these ribosomes which are present on the endoplasmic reticulum do? We have understood in the previous session, children, that ribosomes synthesize the protein. What do ribosomes synthesize? Ribosomes synthesize the protein. So, the rough endoplasmic reticulum is also called as the site of protein synthesis. Why do we call it as site of protein synthesis? As rough endoplasmic reticulum, it has the ribosomes on its surface. Ribosomes synthesize the protein. As a result of this, rough endoplasmic reticulum is called as the site of protein synthesis. Okay, hence it looks rough in nature. Clear? And when I talk about again SER, we know why it is SER, because it is smooth in texture, because they are free from the ribosomes. Then what do these smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesize? See, when I talk about smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they synthesize the fats and lipids. I repeat, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they synthesize the fats and lipids. Clear? So this is all about the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Clear? So now let us understand the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. We have understood their occurrence, their types, right? So now let us understand the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. So the first function, as we all know, that endoplasmic reticulum is called as the site of protein synthesis. Why do we call it as site of protein synthesis? Because they synthesize the protein. How do they synthesize the protein? Because of the ribosomes present on it. Clear? And it also synthesizes fats and lipids. Which type of endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes the fats and lipids? It is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So these are the two functions. And the next function, when I talk about endoplasmic reticulum, it shows the biogenesis. I repeat, endoplasmic reticulum shows the biogenesis. Then what is genesis? What is mean by genesis? Genesis means forming some things. What kind of things it form? They form the things like membrane. I repeat, they form the things like membrane. What kind of membrane? Like plasma membrane. Clear? See, some of the proteins and lipids which are present in the endoplasmic reticulum, they help in forming the cell membrane, which is also called as plasma membrane. And this process of forming the cell membrane or plasma membrane, we call it as biogenesis. Clear? What is biogenesis? Biogenesis is a process where proteins and lipids which are present in the endoplasmic reticulum, they help in forming the cell membrane, which is also called as plasma membrane. Clear? And the next function, see, some of the proteins and the lipids which are present in the endoplasmic reticulum, they act as hormones or the enzymes. I repeat, some of the proteins and the lipids. Where do proteins present? They are present in the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Where do lipids present? They are present in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Correct? So these proteins and lipids which are present in the endoplasmic reticulum, they act as the hormones or enzymes. Hormones or enzymes. Clear? Okay, coming to the next point, endoplasmic reticulum, it forms the network system. We have seen, children, we have seen at the beginning how does it forms the network system. So this endoplasmic reticulum which forms the network system, it serves as a channel. What is meant by channel? Channel means a path or a way. Okay, it serves as a path or a way for the transport of materials, especially proteins. Okay, it serves as the channel for the transport of proteins between the various regions of cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. I repeat this point, please listen. See, endoplasmic reticulum, it forms the network system. We have seen, right? So this network system, it acts as a channel or a path or a way for the transport of materials. What kind of materials? Especially the proteins. Where do they transfer? They transfer between the regions of cytoplasm, various regions of cytoplasm, or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. And the last function here we talk is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It plays a very important or the crucial role. What is that important or crucial role? See, it helps in detoxifying the poisons or the drugs which are present inside the cell. Thereby, it protects the cell. I repeat, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it plays an important role. What is that important role? The important role is it removes. That means it detoxifies the poisons or the drugs which are present inside the cell. Thereby, it protects the cell. Clear? So this is all about the endoplasmic reticulum, children. So once again, let's revise. What is endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane bound organelle. Correct? It has a network of sheets and tube. What are the three different occurrences of endoplasmic reticulum we have studied? We have studied three different occurrences, that is the long tubules, vesicles and cisternae. Then we have studied about the types of endoplasmic reticulum. What are the types of endoplasmic reticulum? One is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and another one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. We have also understood why it is smooth and why it is rough. It is rough because there is presence of ribosomes. Correct? And it is smooth because there is absence of ribosomes. And lastly, we have studied about the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. I hope I made all the things very clear about endoplasmic reticulum. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. After subscribing, please click the bell notification so that all the videos I upload to the YouTube will reach you very soon. That's all for this session. I'm signing off. Thank you.